Hello everyone, this is Hori from China. 15 years of focus just to build better motors. Let's see what tests this spindle motor goes through before shipment. This spindle motor is air cooling, 2.2 kilowatts, 220 voltage, 24,000 RPM ER20 type. Model is in SPF 80 series. This spindle motor is used for CNC woodworking machines. Key dimensions checked according to the approved drawing. Motor diameter 80 mm. Body length 194 mm. Now we connect the spindle motor and inverter, then power on. Frequency 400 Hz and max speed 24,000 RPM are correct. The motor is running okay. Only after passing 100% inspection can this motor receive its quality certificate. This is our daily shipping routine. Will you be the next one to use it? Hurry always online.